All right, guys, welcome back to another Shaky Cam production by your man Jay Will. So I'm out here at the TCL event in the month of September. This is their brand new TCL 35G, and this will be releasing unlocked, and it is compatible with all the major carriers, i.e. Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, etc. So that's a good thing. Right off the rip, that's the best thing about this device probably, because it's going to be opened up to a much larger crowd, and coming in unlocked at just under $300, this is something that you should be excited about. So I'm going to show you what's inside the box. I'm still hanging out, but for now, let's check out what's inside this box. Pop the lid. Device is sitting right at you. I'm going to run down these specs for you too. As you can see, you get it out of the box here. You got a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. I think they're really proud of this, and I guess I would be too. It's very thin, actually. I've already kind of messed around with the body of it. It's fairly thin, coming in at 7.74 millimeters in thickness, as you can see there. You got a 5,010 milliamp hour battery, and they've moved their main shooter to a 50 megapixel camera that does HDR. 13 megapixel wide, 128 gigs of storage, 4 gigs of RAM. I believe you do have an SD card slot on this bad boy too. And then one of the good things about this, obviously it's 5G, so you have the MediaTek 700 Dimensity in here. So let's take a look at the back side of this thing and look through the rest of the box. Now here comes the oohs and ahs. As you can see here, it comes in two colors. This is kind of like a shimmering color that turns in blue and all these different colors. As you can see there's that high megapixel count for the camera. Again, fairly thin body, really nice. As you can see, the power button doubles as a fingerprint reader. And then you've got your volume rocker right here as well. Again, there's the cameras on the back located there. On the top here, you can see you've got a microphone. It's kind of a flat, square-looking design. SIM tray on the side there. And on the bottom here, you've got your headphone jack, Type-C, and speaker out. This is a fairly nice-looking device, man. It's fairly thin. I think it's nice. I think it'll do well. Unlocked and can work on all carriers, coming in at under $300. I think this might possibly be a hit for them. But let's see if they give you a charger in the box. All right, so case, very nice. Type-C cable, very nice. Charging brick, very nice. And you get the traditional quick start guide for your device. So this is a quick unboxing and kind of show and tell for you guys. This is going to be really nice to play with. I'm pretty excited about it, to get it fired up and start using it here. But it's your man Jay, quick unboxing and first impressions of this hardware and everything you get in the box. I think this is pretty cool for just under $300. Unlocked all carriers. They finally got some 5G going on in that AMOLED display. Can't wait to test it out for you. Oh yeah, one last thing. And they hid the SIM tray right here on the side of the box. I thought that was pretty cool because I was looking for it. And here's a sneak peek at that beautiful display. We're gonna get it up and see what's going on with it. Very nice, very nice. Get a shot of that cutout in the camera. A little bit of chin on the bottom. I love that it has a headphone jack and Type-C. Very nice. All right, guys, stay tuned for more coverage on this device. Remember, it drops in October, so be on the lookout for it.